So I'm setting this up as a conversion multiply ad. I've just created this in Lightning Laurel thing. Dan's going to show me. So, got this posted as an ad. What's next, Dan?
Yeah, you're going to click on to the Ads Manager. Open a new tab and open the Ads Manager.
Okay.
Then we're going to go to that place where it says Fast Funnel TOF. You're going to set it up to test there. You're going to duplicate the ad set that says CM3. Duplicate original setup, the white button. Turn off that option in the middle where it says reach more people, and then click duplicate at the bottom right. Now you're going to rename this and turn it into CM4 and remove all the text that's to the right of 4. Cool. So I'm going to tell you the settings that are and are not.
It needs a name. You know that, don't you?
I'm going to tell you the settings that are not correct. So everything below where it says conversion location is correct. It needs to say on your ad and post engagement. Then you need to scroll down and check the daily budget. Make sure that it is $5. Then make sure that there is a start date today and no end date. Then you need to scroll down and we need to check the audience. While scrolling down and checking the audience, he has the right location. It seems to be set to Canary Islands overall. So what you're going to do is you're going to hover over edit.
I'm hovering. Do you want me to click?
Click it, yeah. And then click search locations. You're then going to scroll out on the map. And you're going to click drop pin. You're going to drop it in the middle of the island. Then you're going to type into where it says 16 kilometers, type in 45. You need to select the number, I'm afraid. That's in that little tiny box. And then press enter specifically.
Can I change the pin?
Yes, however you can't
How do you
move
do
it. You need to drop another pin lower down. And then you need to set that to around 50 kilometers and then replace it one with the other.
50?
Yep, try 50.
Oops. Let's try just 50. Can't we just leave both pins there? Or
We can. I would suggest reducing the top pin down to 40 kilometers to not catch any strays from,
this one?
sorry, 45 kilometers turn to 40. Perfect. Next, scroll down. Age is all correct, would you say? Genders? In detailed targeting seems appropriate. If you continue to scroll down.
Do you want to save the audience? Oh, okay.
Scroll down. We need to check that it is set up correctly here. Scroll up slightly. You see where it says ticked Instagram Reels and Facebook Reels? We need to change that. So turn on Instagram and Facebook Stories, and the one above it, and then turn off Instagram Reels and Facebook Reels. Fantastic. Next, go to the ad level.
So we're going to use this one on Advantage Plus audience to see what happens. Okay, now we're going to go down to the second level, yeah?
Make sure that nothing's changed beneath that ad.
Oh yeah, thank you. So I need
So
to
check the location
Okay, those
above would be the main thing.
location.
Yes, sometimes it changes location.
Okay. So
Scroll down
how do
slightly.
how do I check?
Scroll down.
How far do I need to go? Because the location was up there.
Yeah, you need to scroll to where its location. So above that, stop.
Like here.
Down.
Yeah.
Yes.
What do you mean down?
Okay, good. Locations are the same. Please go to the ad level now. Change that name to your name.
Okay. It's going to be CM number 4. Click on link. Static. Oh, what do they call it? They call it
Graphic.
graphic test.
Then scroll down. change post. Select. Yep, that's the one. Scroll down ever so slightly. Scroll down. Click the remove button. That one works too. Then click edit next to where it says advantage creative enhancements. Yep, that's the one. Then turn on and off all optimizations in the top left. Then click save in the bottom right. Now scroll up. Click on the, scroll down slightly, scroll down. Click on the drop down box where it says advantage plus creative text generation and just
Here?
Just click on where it has the arrow.
This thing here?
Yes. And then close it. Just make sure it doesn't do its thing.
I don't know what I'm looking for. Like that?
Yes. Now scroll up all the way to the top. One final check through. Good. Multi-advertiser ads are off as they should be. It's now ready for you to publish.
And next?
Now you publish.
Yeah, cool. Is it done? So I now need to just get a link from here to check it in. Is this the link I go and paste to check it in 7 days, is it?
Yeah, but two things before you do so. Turn on the ad.
Here?
Yeah. And then click on Add Sets. And turn on CM4 again.
I guess that would work really, wouldn't it? Work better if you put it on.
And then grab this link at the top.
Okay.
And you're done.
How was that, eh? Was it really painful?
No.
So I'm going to put that in the task. Now, how do you choose which day? Because it's something I still get muddled up with. So today is the 9th and it's 2:30. How many days do I leave this to test? Considering CM, since it's Fuerteventura. We're just going to have that for 7 days.
The special rule for Fuerteventura is that you let it test for 4 days at $5 per day.
Yeah. So how do you count that?
Change, and by 4 days you will check whether it has exceeded the 5,000 impressions mark.
So when you say 4 days?
For 4 days, which
So
is Sunday 13th.
It is 13th.
You
Okay.
jump forward 4 days. Good girl. Help yourself to